Can you apply for a green card while you are in your J1 visa? I did this in the year 2021 when I was still a J1 teacher and still teaching, and I have a lot of things that I can share to you from my own experience. So let's dive in and let the journey begin. Hello everyone. As a J1 teacher, especially from your home country, just like the Philippines, we know that most of us has a stamp on our visa that says 212E rule to your home residency requirement, which is subject. So we are really subject to that one. But there are also ways that you can find out if you're not subject. That is, of course, if you're gonna file for an advisor opinion through the Department of State. Just go to travel.state.gov. That way you'll know the process. And by the way, as a J1 teacher, there's a lot of things that you need to know, especially if you got married to your U.S. citizen spouse. There are a lot of uncertainties, but if you know the process, then you can do it. We did our research first. I really talked to my husband, which is William, and I was always being so open to him about this idea that we need to file for the waiver. He is always asking me why would it be, especially that he is a U.S. citizen and he can petition for me. I said, yes, you can do that one as a U.S. citizen, especially that I am your immediate relative. However, we are subject to the 2-year rule, which is stipulated in our visa. So we did our research and we have also consulted an immigration lawyer. We paid an hourly consultation for him, ended up just been given an idea that it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work on our part. Maybe because he doesn't have any strong ideas regarding teacher from the Philippines and really seeking for this J1 visa. That would be the waiver. So we always read some articles on the internet and we came up with templates that we can share to you based on our own experience. It's available in POWELLFULCOUPLEJOURNEY.com. There are free templates that you can get, and some of them have been already used and been very successfully done by our J1 teachers also seeking for their waiver. So if the question answers yes, then go for it. But if you feel like you need an immigration lawyer, then seek for those people that have been with the process. Go to J1 Waiver Helping Hands group. Just agree to group rules. That way, I as your admin will accept you immediately. We are sharing ideas there regarding a lot of categories that we can find ways on how to waive the 212E rule. It is sad that our home country before the Philippines can issue a no objection statement for those who are married to their U.S. citizen spouse or if they have their U.S. citizen child. However, right after the pandemic, they have changed the rules and they said that the no objection statement will only be given if it is for the benefit of the Philippines, which we understand that. So as a Filipina or as a J1 teacher, that we feel we wanted to stay with our U.S. citizen spouse and we don't want it to get this long distance relationship. So we are compelled to do the J1 waiver. And in this case, we put it in our hands. So faith over fear, that way you'll know the process. Now I am enjoying the benefit of being a 10-year green card holder, sharing my ideas to you, and hopefully you'll also be with us with our journey towards U.S. citizenship. Thank you so much, and please, if you feel like you wanted to communicate with us, go to our website, POWELLFULCOUPLEJOURNEY.com. That way you'll know about the ways on how to be able to get these ideas, and there are also free videos that I am sharing here through Powerful Couple Journey. And please like, share, subscribe to this YouTube channel of ours. That way, you will be guided as well or given any ideas based on our own experiences. We are not immigration lawyers. We are just here as true, genuine people who have had with the process of a J1 waiver and finally was able to see the light at the end of the tunnel. And we are sharing our ideas to you, and the ideas we're sharing are free with J1 Waiver Helping Hands group. That way we can come up with reasonable, compelling ideas, and some of them have their own immigration lawyers, and we welcome that. That way we can finally say that they are legit and they can really help you step by step. But if you feel like you have this financial constraint or your US citizen spouse needs to have somebody to talk to that has an experience, then please invite them as well with J1 Waiver Helping Hands group or message me directly. That way we can talk about the process, especially that we have been in this situation and we wanted to share our ideas to you as well. Every case is unique and you may not able to get the information that is really based on our own experience, but at least you know that there is a way to get this J1 waiver and you will finally become a legal permanent resident here in the US from being a J1 visa holder. So please watch my next video. See you there and have a great day.